So Anonymous asked a question to us on our Yahoo Finance blog. You guys can go see our Yahoo Finance blog. It's called The Trading Coach, and it's a great honor to be asked to be one of their contributors. On that blog, there's a section which is called Ask Anything, and you can shoot a question into this. We used to actually answer these quite a bit, and we've got away from that because there's too many questions that we get on there. But I'm going to take a stab at one of them because I think it's important for what we're doing here. And so Anonymous asks, if the market is not rigged, statistically speaking, why is it impossible to set a stop loss that will work in the after hours markets? So I understand exactly how you feel. I also know how you would feel during regular market hours when you feel the market is rigged against you. But I want to say something serious here and take a huge step back, which is there isn't anything you can do about the markets presently. You really want to be careful about drowning yourself in thoughts of the market is rigged and I can't do it. The market is what it is. You are not Chuck Schumer who can change SEC policy or market policy so that the market will be different tomorrow. That's not who you are. You have an opportunity to trade the market as is. Would I like the market to be more transparent, fairer? Would I like HFTs not to have an edge at certain points over us? Do I not get very frustrated when I see HFTs clearly cutting in line, detecting my orders? Do I get a little bit frustrated when I see a headline hit the tape where I know somebody is trying to get out of a position, manipulating the market a little bit? Do I get a little frustrated when somebody has information about stocks or markets more so than I that perhaps they should not have, and I have to compete against them in a P&L and performance basis? Yeah, but I can't change that right now. And since I can't change that, I have a choice. Okay, I can wallow in the misery of the riggedness, or I can just do the best that I can with the system that is in place right now and pass along my comments to the people that can make change in the interim and do as best I can with the system that we have. And I choose the latter. I choose to just acknowledge that the system is not perfect, but there is opportunity. And there's lots of wonderful opportunity, and I'm grateful for that. And so after hours trading, you are going to feel that the markets are perhaps a little bit more unfair for a very specific reason, and that is because there's less liquidity. So you are going to get slipped more and get worse prices whenever there is a time period where there's less liquidity. But I want to say one more thing about this, which is there are also very legitimate programs that are hunting for your stops, and you want to be recognizing as a trader when you're putting yourself in a position of weakness, when you're putting yourself in a position where people can hunt for your stocks. And how do you put yourself in a position so that you aren't in a position of weakness where somebody can run your orders? Well, one of the ways you can combat that is to trade something that's in play, to trade a stock that has a true news catalyst in it. And when you do, like a Macy's last week, where there was a real news catalyst in the entire retail sector, and their earnings were terrible, and that would cause selling in that name and perhaps the entire sector for the next 1 day to 3 days. Those stop hunters can't get you as much when you're trading with a news catalyst behind it, because other people are going to step in and not let things do anything other than trend in a particular direction. All right, so A, deal with it, or choose not to play. And B, adjust so that you put yourself in a position where they're not going to hunt your stops. I hope that helps. Trade well. We'll talk to you soon. Welcome to The Winning Trader. The number one factor in whether you trade profitably is what? It's whether you are trading setups that have trading edge. We recently surveyed our trading community as to what would help them the most. The response was overwhelmingly universal. You were most interested in learning trading strategies that you could implement profitably. Or said another way, to solve the problem faced by most traders of lacking setups with Trading Edge. So with that, here at SMBU, today we introduce the Winning Trader. You will learn 10 trading strategies taught to and traded daily on our professional proprietary trading desk in New York City. Here are the 4 steps to how SMB will teach you these strategies. 1, we will hold an online live trading class sharing each setup weekly. 2, for the following week, you will archive a playbook trade that we teach you how to do of this setup daily. 3, during our daily mentoring sessions, to which you will have complete access, we will review these setups from that day's trading. 4, you will have complete access to all of our trading tools that will help you spot these setups during market trading and follow along with us trading them in real time. Take the first step towards becoming a winning trader